Hello students, now we'll go for question number 6. I'll read the question, first understand the question, then we'll solve it. Diagonals AC of a parallelogram. This is the diagonal only. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. That means angle 1 is equal to 3. So that it bisects angle C also. Means what we have to prove? Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Then it is bisects. And second one, ABCD is a rhombus. That we have to prove. It is a parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and AB is equal to BC. That we know. But what is asking? ABCD is a rhombus. That means we have to prove AB is equal to BC or AB is equal to AD. That we have to prove. Clear children? Yeah. First one, it bisects angle C also. That we have to prove. Clear? Just this is the figure and angle 1, angle 3, 2, 4. Just I am assuming these angles. Yes. First one, first it bisects angle C also. We have to prove. Yes. What is first one is given? AD is parallel to BC. First, using that we know it is a parallelogram. AD is parallel to BC. And then what is here? AC is a transversal. AC is a transversal. Clear children? It is a parallelogram. AD parallel to BC. Then AC is what is? Transversal. Then what is? Alternate angles are equal. What is that here? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is this one? Alternate angles are equal. That is number 1. Next, AB parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Then AC again transversal. AB is parallel to DC. Then again AC is transversal. AC is a transversal. Then what is again? Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What is here? Alternate angles are equal. Clear? Now it is number 2. Clear children? Now what is given you see here? Bisects. The diagonal AC is bisecting angle A. Already given that. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. That is given. We can take as this is number 3. This is 2 and this is 1. Now observe here. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Observe in this. Here we know angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Here in the place of 3, what we can apply? 1 is equal to 4 also. Yes. But 1 is equal to what is again? 2. Yes. From 1, 2 and 3. 1 is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 4 and 1 is equal to 3. Finally, what is answer? From 1, 2, 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. If these two equal, then what is? It bisects angle C also. Therefore, AC bisects angle C also. First one completed. It bisects angle C also. Why it bisects? Because angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Next one, what is? ABCD is a rhombus. We have to prove it is a rhombus. That means any two adjacent sides are equal. We know it's a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Now any two adjacent, AB is equal to BC or AB is equal to AD, we have to prove. Clear children? Yeah. For that, what? ABC in triangle ABC and another one, what is? CDA. CDA. Triangle CDA. In these two triangles, we have to prove both are congruent. Clear children? Yeah. what is first one? AC. Here AC is a common. AC is equal to AC, that is the common. Then 1 is equal to what is here? 3, or 3 is equal to 1. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 given. And last one, what is? Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Just now we proved. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. It is proved. Clear, children? AC is equal to AC, common. 1 is equal to 3 given, and 2 is equal to 4. Just now we proved here. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. What is working here? ASA rule. By ASA rule, triangle ABC congruence to triangle CDA. Triangle CDA. Yes, these two triangles are what is now? Congruence. If two triangles are congruent, when by CPCT, BC is equal to DC, by CPCT, BC is equal to DC. Yes, then CD is equal to AD. CD is equal to AD or DA, anyone. Then even AD is equal to AB also possible. Clear, children? AB is equal to DC also possible, I think. AB is equal to DC, we know already it is. Yes, because it is a parallelogram. Finally, you see here, AD is equal to BC. Yes, AD is equal to BC because we know that it is a parallelogram. Now we proved adjacent sides are equal. BC is equal to DC. Then AD is equal to DC. Yes, clear. Now finally, what is? Therefore, in a parallelogram, if adjacent sides are equal, then what is it? It is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Clear, children? In a parallelogram, if adjacent sides are equal, then it is a rhombus.